What's up, people? Today I have a really short video on how to install or connect your Blackvue LTE module that you can get with your 900X dash cam. So I'm going to show you really quick what you get in the package. Okay, it's going to come in a little box like this. All right, and this is what it looks like. This is now for the 900X 2-channel or the 900X, the X series. This is a LTE module where you will place your SIM card. And the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need a small screwdriver, preferably one for a pair of eyeglasses, because you need to remove that little tiny screw. You see that? That little tiny screw right there. All right. It's going to be attached like this. Let me put it in place real fast for you and show you what I'm talking about. All right. So when you get this out of the box, this is going to be on, just like that. All right. You're going to have to undo that screw. You're going to have to pop this off. Once you take that off, there is a little, you can see it in there. All right. That's your SIM card tray. All right. All you're going to have to do is use your SIM card tool to pop that tray out. And you're going to place your nano SIM from either at&t or T-Mobile in that tray. Okay. Now, once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and connect it to the dash cam. Assuming that you already have your dash cam set up and ready to go, we're going to plug it in. I'm going to show you how you do that right now. All right. With your dash cam already mounted, obviously, I took this down just to show you for this demonstration. Let's undo the cable. All right, you got plenty of cable. It's like at least 3 feet. Yeah, it's at least 3 feet. It's about the width of my car. So after you get the SIM card, the nano SIM in here, you're going to plug it in. You're going to plug this right here, just like so. That's what it's going to look like. All right. So your dash cam is going to be mounted on your windshield. It's going to be facing out. You're going to plug this in. You're going to tuck this wire up along the headliner, and then you're going to mount this high above the windshield somewhere where it can, where it has good signal capabilities. You know, you don't want to like, I mean, you could tuck it under somewhere because it is a SIM card and the signal shouldn't be that obscure. But me personally, I would mount this as high up, like if you had an Easy Pass. Those of you in the United States know what I'm talking about. Those of you abroad, maybe not, but I'll show you a picture of what I'm talking about here in a second. That's it. That's how you install it, okay? Now, connectivity. Really, really easy. In the corner of your screen here, I already showed you the steps. You're going to go into your LTE settings, okay? It's going to ask you basically for your carrier type, all right? You're going to search through all the carriers. You're going to choose either at&t or T-Mobile if you're in the United States, because those are the only 2 carriers you can use. I chose at&t. That will switch in your credentials later on. It'll say phone, but select at&t. You're going to add your username and password, and then you're good to go. Then you're going to go into the next setting over here, and you're going to connect your camera to your local Wi-Fi. I'm sitting in front of the house. I have mine connected to my home network, 2 channels. And I also had it, there's 3 slots. I also had it connected to my former Wi-Fi hotspot, this right here. But we took the SIM card out of this, had this SIM card replaced with a nano SIM. We put it in our LTE dash cam. And then there's going to be a little box. Pay attention. There's a garage setting. That's the channel that you want to supersede everything else when you're at the house. So make sure you check that for your home network, okay? For your garage setting or wherever you park your car most of the time, make sure you have that box checked so the dash cam knows that that's the signal you want to draw data from the majority of the time when it's in range, okay? And that is all you need to do. Power your camera back up, plug it back in, power it up, and be on your way. This will automatically swap. Once you leave your home network or your garage setting, the dash cam will automatically swap on over to your LTE, over to your nano SIM, your portable Wi-Fi device credentials that you installed, and you're good to go. There's no more having to, connect your camera to a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So if you have any trouble setting this up, please send me a message. I'll try to help you out. A direct message on Instagram usually works better. I can usually answer you right away. If I don't know the answer, I'll try to find out for you. But send me a message. Follow me over at East Coast Jeep SRT. Make sure you do me a favor before you leave, though. Hit the like button. Hit the little bell notification right next to it. Down here, click subscribe. Last but not least, you guys and girls all be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.